On things you can do with leftover Thanksgiving food. So we have a few rolls left over for Thanksgiving. You know, you can make sliders out of these rolls. So you simply cut them in half. And I'm going to be adding ham and baby Swiss. But you could add your turkey. Ham or turkey, whatever meat you have left over. So a little meat on that one. A little meat on this one. So broke that cheese up so it fit better. Alright, so here you go. We got two beautiful sliders here. So just in time to give you energy for the Black Friday shopping experience. How these look, Lucas?
Good.
You want one?
Gimme.
Which one you want?
This one.
Alright. So Lucas came and took my dinner. He's still eating on that cinnamon roll too.
I haven't eaten yet.
So how is it, Lucas?
Good.
It's nice for a quick after Thanksgiving, using Thanksgiving leftovers, right?
Yeah.
Imagine putting some cranberry sauce on that.
Ew.
That would be good.